Oh, hello there. I'm your morning witch, and today is Monday, June 16th. It's Monday, so it's Moonday, which means we're going to talk about that for just a brief second because mostly I'm doing reminders today. So it's Monday, it's Moonday. The moon is in Pisces, the moon is in leaf stage. So if we're talking about gardening, let's focus on leafy vegetables, leafy greens, plants that are grown for their leaves. And when we're talking about everything else that's not a plant, although I mean kind of we are kind of still plants, but anyway, like look at the spine, the spinal cord, the nerves that wrap around the spinal cord, the DNA, these things relate back to vegetable things. But anyway, what we're going to remind you about today are two very simple things. One, it's June, it's hot. Everyone's out and about enjoying things, vacation, pride events, what have you. It's important to stay hydrated, isn't it? Isn't it important to stay hydrated? Yes, it is. So the best way to hydrate actually is with whole fruit. The hydration in whole fruit is the best for our bodies to absorb. When we drink water, we can't just straight absorb water. I know that's weird, right? You actually need salt in your body or in the water to absorb water. Not too much salt like salt water because that will poison you and make you go insane. Isn't it funny how the human brain works? Well, not just brain, but body in general. Because again, if we don't have any salt in our system, we're not going to absorb the water that we drink. But we need water to stay hydrated. But if that water has too much salt in it, well then it's not good for our bodies. It's fun, huh? So reminder one, stay hydrated and eat fresh fruit because it's the best way to hydrate your cells and it's very nutritious. It's good for you in other ways, isn't it? Also, okay, sorry, I didn't mean to be like sarcastic there. I'm actually just trying not to stab myself in the eye because of the angle at which I chose to do this, and that is on me. Anyway, the other reminder is if you have Pride events coming up, if you have Pride fundraising events coming up, make sure if you're trying to be a part of that community, participate if you can. Go out to those fundraisers and give to them. And I say this as someone who's running fundraisers right now, so part of that reminder is June 21st, Saturday night, there is the A Midsummer Night's Eve semi-formal evening of enchantment that I am putting on, and it's being hosted by a local company, D&D business called Mandalore's Dreams, who is also very supportive of Pagan Pride Day, which is what this ball is supporting, which is why it's real important for me to get the word out and sell the last tickets that we can before the event, because it's going to be a ball, y'all. Bye.